Write down. Last class explained about concept of differentiability. Differentiability is a smallest unit. We will write simple synopsis, not like theory oriented notes. PUC level notes we are not writing, just for objective. What kind of simple synopsis we need? That one we are writing. Differentiability. Let y is equal to f of x be a continuous function. First this condition. Otherwise don't ask for derivative. A continuous function. That is why continuity implies differentiability. When a function has derivative, it is continuous first of all. Is a continuous function in its domain. Let x equal to a be any point in the domain. Point means value, x value. Because it is continuous for every x, there exists y. Therefore, it is continuous. X value a limit. That means we are only concentrating for a value of x. Only limit f of a plus h minus f of a. What is its meaning? The right hand side of a we are going, plus means by a plus h minus a. Cancel a is a different secondary. First we have to write difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. If this ratio has limit, finite limit, means exists. When as h is very small, that is why h is very small means what is the smallest number? 0 only. Therefore, as h tends to 0, that limiting value is finite, then that finite limit, is called the derivative of fx at a denoted by, we should give symbolic form. What is the symbolic form here I am writing is f power 1. Don't read f power 1, f dash. Where we are getting differentiability? A. What is direction we are getting for a? Right side or left side? Plus means right side. Therefore, on the power plus indicates. Then we should give some name for this decision. F dash a plus. This derivative is right hand derivative. Okay. Right hand derivative. What will be diagram for this only? Consider one graph, one function curve. You can draw in any way. Okay. Not only like this. Any continuous curve. A is selected here. Their corresponding y coordinate is here. Going a smallest negligible distance h units are here. This is called h traveling right side. Then it becomes a plus h. Then their corresponding what is y coordinate? F of a plus h. As and when this size is reducing, whenever this size is reducing, shrinking, then this is disappear. This card disappear. Okay, that is our card. Disappear in the sense that B coincides with A becomes tangent. That process is called differentiability. At that A only you see in the graph I gave only A. That process is called right hand derivative. Suppose next we are writing limiting value. Now here I gave you right hand derivative at A plus. At origin how you will write first? We will decide here on what is right hand derivative about origin. Right hand derivative about origin. What is its meaning? That is right hand derivative at x is 0. What is at x equal to 0 means a value 0. Now you see limit h tends to 0. F of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by 0 plus h minus 0, 0, 0 cancel over action. Okay, which is equal to f dash of 0 plus. Okay, that is limit h tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h is f dash of 0 plus. Finally we have got right hand derivative about any number a, particularly about origin, because problems many models are there reference to origin. That is why we wrote one statement extra. Now we will consider the meaning for left hand derivative. If limiting value for what? Left hand side of A, you have to go left hand side, means A minus something. What is this something? Almost negligible. Minus f of A by A minus h minus A when h is approaching 0. Then what is this derivative? Symbolic form f dash of A only, at A only. But what is direction? Left hand side of A minus. Then what is the diagrammatic notation? Suppose this is A, f of A. Going left hand side A, h units. Here, h units traveling left. This is A minus h. Then their corresponding f of A minus h. Then this is your curve AC. As C approaches A, then also you will get tangent at A. Either there or here, tangent only you are getting at A. This is called left hand derivative. About origin means x value 0, A value 0, that means limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h, 0 by 0 minus h. This is f dash of. So finally what is now, therefore finally if you write h tends to 0, f of minus h minus f of 0 by minus h is f dash. This process is called differentiability. Eligibility at a particular value only. Okay, not in general. If you don't refer any x value, in general overall R means that is called differentiation. For every a value, if its derivative exists, then we say overall derivative exists on differentiation. Next, with these two, what we write conclusion? If left equal to right, left equal to right, then we say derivative possible. Now we are writing if left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative, that is f dash of a minus is f dash of a plus, then we say that fx is differentiable at x equal to a, then that is denoted by f dash of a. This is now ordinal number a without any symbol plus or minus. This is called our actual rule. If they are not equal, derivative does not exist. Okay, not differentiable only. This is called our definition actually for differentiability. Right. In general, either a plus h or a minus h. In general, how to write? Limit therefore h tends to 0, fx minus fa by x minus a is f dash of x. That is the reason we started in first year of writing this process of doing this called derivative by first principle. If you take x equal to a plus h, right hand derivative. A minus h, left hand derivative. It becomes a plus a minus, like that. Okay. Then properties as usual we have in PUC also. Polynomial functions are continuous, so therefore they have derivatives. Trigonometric functions, constant function, identity function. Next, inverse trigonometric functions are differentiable in their domains. Then step function, greatest integer function, continuous. Already we know that integers, rationals, that is there. Okay. Next, very common problem is there. Problem is every time there is a chance of getting that model for modulus. Modulus of a function. We need that graph of mod function. Mod function already you know mod x, that is not mod x only. In the place of x they can put any function. So better note down 2-3 examples here. F of x is modulus of x minus a. What is the graph of this? Actual original graph is here mod x. Okay, this is original graph. Minus a units. Therefore, graph is going right hand side a units. is A0. Therefore, this graph is called modulus of x minus a. Positive means right hand side is x minus a, left hand side minus of x minus a. When it is negative, means minus x plus a. Suppose if I give you modulus of x plus a, how to draw the graph of this? First original graph, then shifting left hand side a units, left hand side of origin negative, that is the reason. This is called x plus a and this is minus of x plus a, when x plus a negative. This is about mod function graph. Here it has sharp edge. Sharp edge represents not differentiable. There will be such type of powerful properties during mains exam. In CET not necessary, so I am not writing. Don't think we don't have synopsis. There are so many varieties in this way. Up to CET level I am talking about this concept. Extra I am not writing. Right? Like that, suppose if they ask suddenly mod sin x is possible for CET and NEET, therefore what is the graph of mod sin x? How to draw mod sin x graph? Many people don't know this, wait fellows. First, you draw that sin x graph. Sin x graph. Okay? Already you know in trigonometry. Sin x graph. First, below x-axis whatever we have, this one, this one, this one, shift up. When you shift to up, means above x-axis, you will get all cycles like this only. This is called mod sin x. Very, very important. All scientists note down this graph. Already you know in trigonometry, it is crossing x-axis at all pi multiples. What are these x values here? N pi. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. You notice here sharp edge is there. That is why mod sin x is not differentiable at x equal to n pi. Already it is clear. Sharp edge, cut and go. Not smooth, cut and go. That is called sharp. Knife edge. Okay? You bring one knife, you cut the curve with the blade, then it is called sharp edge. Okay? See, this is a smooth curve, smooth edges. If this is smooth edges, what you do is cut here with the blade. Okay? You bring one blade or knife, you cut up to here, put it here. Now you see, this I kept opposite, sharp edge, that is called. Okay, that is called sharp edge. This is called smooth edge. Therefore, it is not differentiable. Like that, so many things are there for mains related synopsis. Right now, more synopsis I am not writing. Very simple I am writing. Okay? Later we will see. With this, now in your material, we have here differentiability problems. See, first concept level models are given. Where we have concept level, fx and gx are differentiable at x naught, then function maximum of fx comma g of x is always differentiable, never differentiable. Is differentiable when x is x naught f of x naught not equal to g of x naught cannot be differentiable. This is concept based. See, here question is this: both f of x and g of x are differentiable. Where differentiable, whenever you see this word differentiable, compulsory there will be point difference. Differentiable, immediately point difference. Point not there, differentiation, derivative. Okay? Now, h of x is a function defined as maximum of fx comma gx. There are two curves. Earlier also we did one problem, minimum in limits in continuity, minimum of f of x with g of x, like that. Maximum he is asking. Then ABCD. What are the options here? H of x is first option, always differentiable at x naught only. Opposite, never differentiable. Is differentiable when they are not equal. Okay, when they are not equal. Okay, cannot be differentiable if they are equal. If they are equal. Suppose consider one example. What example I will give here? There are two functions, f of x, g of x. Right? What you do is take f of x is x, one curve. G of x take x square, another curve. Okay. H of x is equal to maximum of x comma x square. Because why this example I am taking? Already we got discussion about this in the continuity with minimum. And we know already graph also. What is graph of this? X is positive, x is negative. And x square graph also we know. This is x square, and we know that it is intersecting at 0, 1 comma 1. Now you see, here it is important. You consider right hand side, suppose after 0. Okay, see, at x equal to 0, what do you notice? Sharp edge. Sharp edge is there. At x equal to 0, sharp edge exists. So, is not differentiable. X equal to 0 is common to both. Is common. Point of intersection. Instead of that, I am writing common to both x and x square. What is implying? X naught value is same for them means what is observation? X equal to x naught, suppose, see, x equal to 0, f of 0 is same as g of 0. 0, 0. That means when they are equal, it is not differentiable. It is not differentiable when they are. Okay. When they are equal, not differentiable. When they are not equal, differentiable. Except for x is 0, differentiable. Okay. H of x is differentiable. Why I wrote h of x? Either it is the maximum value between 0 and 1. This is your answer. After 1, this is answer. Okay, this is your answer. In any way, curve is continuous, therefore differentiable. When it is differentiable, accept this. Therefore, it is differentiable. That is why only because of graphical it is. Okay. Now, second problem, if you see here, fx is differentiable everywhere. See, f of x is differentiable everywhere. They gave. Okay. Then first option, mod fx is differentiable. Second, mod f square is differentiable everywhere. Step of f of x, definitely failure. Integral function is not all. SGN of f of x, this is also not possible. Okay, signal function conditions are there, not in general. They are not possible in general. Okay, that means integral function failure, signal function failure. Only about this we have to see. Now, they gave you fx is differentiable. Since f of x is differentiable, assume that at any point a, limit h tends to 0, or x tends to 0, generally I will write, see, fx minus fa by x minus a, f dash a. Because it is given differentiable in general for every a. Consider, already I told you mod f of x, sharp edging, definitely not differentiable. For this I am giving you proof. Consider f square, mod f square, mod f a. What is mod f of x? Square derivative, chain rule, 2 into mod f of x into mod f x derivative, modulus f of x by f of x. This is our process generally. At any x equal to a, write down f dash a, f of a, f of a, f of a. When it is positive, one term will be cancelled. Suppose if you want to find out, again I will write here, x tends to 0, mod f of x square minus mod f a square by x minus a. Numerator a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b by x minus a. And already for this we have f dash a. Substitute x equal to a here. Even then also you know that. What is this? 2 times f of a into f dash a. Positive or negative you can decide. Here also same. Suppose one term cancel, positive means therefore. What is implied? Mod f square is differentiable is the final answer. Okay? Right. Next we will start other class with other problems. Right. Okay. Today it is enough.